Hi, I'm Feng Xiaojuan. I'm from the Institute of Botany, Chinese Academy of Sciences. I'm a soil scientist. This is a tool that I use to collect my sample, and I focus on soil carbon cycling under global changes. I always wanted to be a scientist when I was a child. I have always been very interested in nature. I particularly enjoyed watching insects and plants sprouting. In my elementary school, I was fascinated by a monthly magazine called 奥秘, or Mystery. It discusses some strange phenomena in nature or science fictions. My early daydream was to resolve these mysteries. My current research is based on my own proactive choice. During my high school in Shanghai, I had the opportunity to study at the University of Manchester, but it was related to textile, whereas I wanted to pursue something related to biology or natural science. I later went to Peking University for my undergrad. I took a course on soil during my first or second year. This class made me realize how intriguing soil actually is. The human society spends a lot of effort exploring distant places, like outer space. Yet, our understanding of what's right beneath our feet is very limited. And soil may seem mundane, something we encounter every day. However, with a very complex composition, soil is like a vast black box holding numerous treasures. Lots of drugs are discovered based on soil-dwelling microbes. Soil is also a huge reservoir of carbon, nitrogen, and water, etc. And there's so much to do and to discover in this intriguing domain. I enjoyed taking some adventures and exploring something new. I spent almost a decade abroad, and this is the 10th year after I established my group in Beijing. I have witnessed the great investment in and the growth of fundamental research in China in the past years. I think I'm really lucky to be here. Finding ways to promote soil carbon sequestration and revealing soil carbon sequestration potentials are our goals. Where does soil carbon come from? In what forms is it stored? Why is it accumulating? And how stable is it under global changes? Answering these questions contribute to our understanding of how to live in harmony with nature. I very much admire a young female scientist who I got to know during my postdoc study in Zurich. Before starting her research career, she set out to explore the world initially, working as an international tour guide. After seeing the wonders of the world, she decided to pursue a PhD in Stockholm, working on Arctic studies. Now she's a mother to 2 children and established her own laboratory. She still insists on dedicating herself to the Arctic research. What sets her apart is her remarkable determination, clear goals, and exceptional execution skills. She's my inspiration. Trying to establish a family and a career at the same time is really difficult. The first 5 years when I started my group were the toughest. I still remember a moment when I locked myself in my bedroom to work on the presentation, and my baby was crying outside in the living room. It was overwhelming. I don't think there's any other option. Just hold on. You can ease up a little on yourself, step back a little, but you may find yourself on a different path. When it comes to something you truly love, you'll find the motivation to persist and not to give up. And be tough, because it is not so easy. Be persistent, and you will see the difference in the end.